Hey boys and girls, bet you can't guess which number we're going to find many ways to add to today.
Just kidding, what number is that?
10! So we are going to find as many different ways as we can to add to 10, along with finding turnaround facts, okay? So what you're going to need to play this game is you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil, along with crayons or markers. Now what I did, boys and girls, is I used a black marker instead of a pencil to draw in my circles, just so it would show up on the video better. But go ahead and use a pencil for yours, just in case if you do too many, okay? So your first step is you're just gonna start with 10 circles. I drew mine like our 10 frames, right? So I can count across easy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after you've drawn 10 circles, you're gonna pick 2 colors that you really like. I picked out orange and blue. And what you get to decide is how many you want to color of each color. So what I would recommend is to start with just doing like in a row all the same color instead of skipping around so you don't get confused, okay? So let's see, I'm gonna do a couple blue. And then the rest I'm going to do orange. Oops. Okay, so you color them in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to write a number sentence about our picture, okay? So we're gonna look at our 2 groups. I have a blue group of circles and an orange group of circles. So in my blue group, how many do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So write that, 3, plus, how many do I have in my other group? Let's see. I can count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or I can do it the fast way. 5, 6, 7. So in my orange group, I have 7 equals. What does the equal sign tell our brains to do? Count how many we have all together, which we know we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because we're finding many ways to add to 10. So I will write 10. Purple. Purple, purple, purple. Okay. Good. Now what I'm going to do, boys and girls, like I showed you in the last video, is I'm going to do a turnaround fact. So I'm going to put, instead of the 7, adding the group of 7 second, I'm going to put it first. And instead of adding my group of 3 blues first, I'm going to do it second this time. I'm going to turn them around, okay? So let's start with orange first. We have 5, 6, 7. Plus, how many blues do we have? 1, 2, 3. And it still equals, how many do we have all together? 10. So we had 3 plus 7 equals 10. We switched those around, made 7 come first. 7 plus, we got the 3 from up there, equals 10. It's a turnaround fact. Woo, woo, woo. Good job. All right, let's try another one. So you're gonna draw another 10 circles. And then we're gonna pick how we wanna color them in. And we'll write a turnaround fact to go with it. Okay, so this time, let's see, I think, let's color in this many. I think I'm gonna trick you guys with this one. So that many blue, and then this many orange. Okay, so you guys are gonna write a turnaround, or the adding sentence with me, okay? So let's see how many we have of blue, okay? So let's start with our blue group, count with me. Let's do it the fast way. Ready, set, go. 5, 6, okay? Or we can count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either way is fine. So we have 6 in our blue group, plus, how many do we have in our orange group? 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges, equals, how many do we have all together? We have 10, right? All together. Okay. So let's go back and double check to make sure we understand this. So I'm wondering, where did we get the 6 from, boys and girls? Can you tell me? I forgot already. Oops. You're right, we got the 6 from, that's how many blue circles we have in our blue group. Well then, where do we get the 4 from, boys and girls? Oh, because we have 4 orange circles. So we added up our 2 groups. Okay, that makes sense to me, but where do we get the 10 from? How many we have all together? How many circles we have all together? Oh, thank you, boys and girls. All right, so then that must mean you smarty pantses are ready to show me how to write a turnaround fact, right? Okay, so we're gonna switch the order. So we did 6 plus 4. This time we're gonna have 4 come first and 6 comes second. Okay, and we're gonna look at our picture to help us too. Again, I'm just counting the group of orange first this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, so I put that first. Plus, then I count the blue group, the blue circles second. 5, 6. And it's still gonna equal How many altogether? 10. Great job. Okay, let's do one more example. I think I'm going to trick you guys with this one. I think I just might. Okay, so let's write a number sentence. Okay, so first we're going to start off with the blue group because that's what we've been doing. Wait a second. Uh-oh, I have a problem, boys and girls. There's not any blue circles. What do I do? Oh, no. What? Oh, you mean I put a 0? Because 0 means that there's none? Oh, that's right. Okay, so I put 0 because I have 0 blues. Plus, okay, well then, Smarty Pants, what am I supposed to do now? Count the oranges? Okay, so let's see how many oranges I have. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10 oranges equals, how many do I have all together then? Let's see. It doesn't change, right? It's still 10. So we put 10 all together. Oops, there we go. So 0 plus 10 equals 10. Anytime, remember, we add 0 or nothing to a number, it stays the same, right? Okay, so then let's switch our order once again. We'll make the 10 come first this time, our group of orange, and the 0 comes second, our group of blue. Okay, so once again, we have 10 orange circles, if you look at our group. And then 0 blue, oopsies, still equals 10 all together. We have another turnaround fact, my friends. Turnaround fact, woo! So look at all these ways I found to add to 10. Guess what? There's still more. I challenge you to find some more for me.